Come on, foot unpacking a Samsung phone. We haven't unpacked one in a long time. The last one was the Z Flip 6. So already we are on a classic box from Samsung, with the phone on the front, the Samsung logo, the name of the product, and then on the back, all the technical information. So we're going to unpack it, that's it, and we're going to discover the little beast, the entry-level phone. From Samsung, which I remind you is around 250 euro if you want to go to the checker, of course. By the way, in this video, we will not talk about technical sheet of this product because I have already made a video about it. If it will be in description or it will be displayed right here. If you want to check it out, then we have the product right here. Here it is just below. There it is just for the phone, okay? And then there we must have a minimum, a small charging cable and documentation for the product. Yeah, that's it. We have a small white cable here, type C. And after the dock for the product hop, we're going to put that in there. And here, the little bitonio to come and remove the SIM card. So what interests us all is this product. This is the small phone from Samsung. We have a shiny effect on the back of the phone. You can already notice it because you see the lights that there are to film this video. Agreed goals that are really very small. Compare, for example, to large phones or Samsung range. And it is quite normal. We are not on the same range of sensors that are put on it. As a reminder, we have a wide angle, an ultra wide angle, and a macro sensor on it. Here on the edge, you won't notice that we have the power button directly. Here the volume buttons with a small raised right here, which was introduced last year on the front. You can see that we still have a big black edge at the bottom on the phone. And then it's rather homogeneous, all two on the phone except at the bottom. Agree on this slice, who will see that we have nothing except the place to house the SIM cards. Frankly, to the touch, we are on a phone which is really very classic. At the back, it seems to really hold the phone well because it doesn't seem to slide in the hands, and that's rather interesting at the bottom. What are you going to be able to find the Type-C simply with a speaker right here? I honestly don't know what you think of this color. We are on really a classic color and I find it rather appreciable. At the moment, it doesn't seem to show too many fingerprints, but we'll have to see if that changes. For now, it looks fine.